look at me! Do you want to play the floor is lava game?
Oh yes, let's play!
Watch me perform!
It's so fun! Come over here, CatNap!
I'm coming!
What are you guys doing? CatNap, Hoodoo! Clean the room immediately!
So boring! Cleaning the room is so boring! I have an idea!
What? It's so fun! Go faster! Hero Hoodoo is here!
We're entering the land of the kitchen!
Hero Hoodoo will defeat all monsters!
Hoodoo and CatNap? Is the room clean up yet? I'll watch you guys clean.
Has Dog Day gone yet?
I'm still watching you guys.
Yes, sir! Let's play again, CatNap!
Here come toys!
Wow! Super beautiful flip!
Help me carry the box.
I'm so sorry.
When your room is messy or dirty, it can be dangerous for both of you and everyone around you. Look!
It hurts. Where is my toy?
Oh my god! It's so dirty!
Wow.
We will never mess around again.
That's right, I promise.
Very good. Always remember to clean your room.
Wow.
We got it!
Hello, Max. Bouquet of flowers for you. I'm sorry for hurting you.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Congratulations to our winner! I am the winner!
What?
I have an idea. What? I think we should do a competition and the winner will get a trophy. I'm in! Welcome to the beach contest! I'm Lucy, your caster, and these are the two contestants today. I'm gonna win this! This is too easy! Oh dear, this is harder than I thought. Wow! CatNap can't get through this. What? Oh, this is really easy. I can do this. I'm falling. coming for you too! I won't let you win. Take this! He'll know my hand.
Wait, what? What is that?
Huh?
Why did someone spread a carpet here? Why CatNap doesn't fall down?
Uh-oh. No!
The cup is mine! This is your trophy! Congratulations! You deserve this trophy too, who do? Really? I'm sorry that I was always trying to prank you earlier. Don't do that again in the future. Come here and let's share our trophy.
Hi! My bow is so beautiful! I look really cute! Nice!
Hey, you guys, let's play a detective role-playing game.
Okay, let's play! The plushie will be pretended to be the victim.
I'll find the culprit. You're the culprit, Lucy.
Dog Day Boys will catch you, Lucy!
No, not me. What's happening?
Oh my!
Oh, no! What's wrong with CatNap?
I don't know.
What's going on, CatNap?
I lost it! My bow tie is gone!
A boy wears a bow.
Did you take my bow, didn't you? Lucy, give me back my bow! I don't know where the bow is!
What was the last time you saw the bow?
That was when I went to sleep on my bed.
I have an idea. It's time to do and track down the thief who stole CatNap's bow. What is this? Nice! Wow!
I wonder.
help me finding the bow?
Don't worry, Detective Hodo will help you finding the bow. I got some clues about the thief. I'll quickly find out who it is. Aww.
Thank you, Detective.
Have you figured out who the culprit is yet?
Let me think in peace. I've come up with it. Hodo looks really silly.
That's right.
From the hair tie, I deduce the culprit is. The main culprit is you, Lucy. Your hair tie was found in CatNap's room. I found the truth. Not me. I'll explain. Hey, CatNap. Let's try out different types of hair clips together.
Okay.
Whoa!
Wow.
Do you think I look cute?
Yes, so cute.
Let me put the bow on for you. Okay. Perfect for you. Goodbye. I'm heading to bed now. Bye-bye. Is this true?
That's right. She gave me the bow.
So, Lizzie isn't the culprit. The culprit can only be Dog Day. I have found Dog Day's feather in CatNap's bedroom. So, the thief is Dog Day.
Of course, it's not me. I don't want that bow. I will explain. I went to CatNap's room just to get the ball. My feather fell out when I took the ball out of the room.
Then, who's the culprit? Wait a minute. Let me think it through a bit more.
Only you, Dog Day. Give me back my bow.
I told you it wasn't me. Maybe Lucy took it.
Not me. I am the one who gave the bow to CatNap.
Stay calm, everyone.
I put on my sleeping hat and forgot about it. Sorry, everyone. I forgot I had the bow on my head. You're done with us, CatNap.
Whoa!
Nice.
So, the culprit is CatNap.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I love it. I will bring all these beautiful eggs to the party for everyone. Look great. I hope everyone will like it.
Those eggs are so ugly.
It's hurt. On my head. Hey, let me out! Let me out!
No, I won't. This is what you deserve.
Now I will use these eggs to tease everybody. Let me out! Help! Someone help!
Hey, have you found any eggs yet? No, I haven't.
Oh my!
Let me see what you got.
Wait, what?
Oh dear, what is this?
Stop it! You're scaring everyone.
This is for you.
Is that all you got?
I will beat you. What is that? Let me show you who I am.
What? Easy!
Really?
You what?
Kutu, are you okay? Please save me. Help. I got this.
Stop it, Max. What you have done could hurt everyone.
Oh, please, just leave me.
Really? No!
This is not okay.
What?
This is what you deserve when teasing everyone.
Huh?
What is that?
What?
Oh no!
What?
Let's clean up the room.
Huh?
What are you doing? No! We will protect the city! I'm gonna destroy the city!
What is that?
We have to rescue everyone from the evil CatNap demon. Let's do it!
Wait, what?
I will defeat you. Now is my turn. I'm gonna hit you. Well done. Let's suck them all. Take my chewing gum trick.
On my head.
Two, be careful. Quickly get out of the way. What are you doing? How do I get this out? Get him! What is he doing?
Huh?
'em! Let's chase him! 'em! 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 'em Voodoo, where are you?
You what?
La 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 la.
What?
Get him!
What's going on?
Huh?
I'll show you my power! Are you okay? It's time to use my special move. I got your back, Dog Day. Oh no!
Clean up right now!
Oh, no, no, no!
Wow. Be careful.
Wow!
Let me help you pick things up. This is my pleasure. Thank you for helping me.
Bye!
See you again someday. What a nice guy. I want to be friend with him. I can do it. Just give him the flower and we will be friends. Hoodoo! Hoodoo!
Hello. I have a gift for you.
Oh, my head. Oh, CatNap, are you okay? I want to be friends with you. Hoodoo!
What?
Sorry, I'm allergic to pollen. I'm so sorry.
That's such an ugly flower.
I made Hoodoo scared and run away. That's terrible. What should I do? I have this idea.
Hey, Hoodoo! Come up here.
Oh, wow.
I'll give you a ride. I'll take you wherever you want.
Okay, let's go. Hoodoo, put on your helmet. Let's go.
Hello. Hello.
Hoodoo, are you okay?
You keep going. I'm coming home alone.
Wait, Hoodoo!
No.
No, I can't give up. I want to be his friend. I got an idea.
Wow! The gift for Hoodoo is ready.
Hoodoo, I have a gift for you. What's wrong with you? Why do you keep bothering me? I'm sorry. I just want to be friends with you.
I want to give you a gift as a thanks for helping.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay, let's be friends then. Thanks for being my friend.
That's nice. What about you? Do you want to be friend with anyone? I am Dog Day, and I would like to be your friend.
The pizza looks delicious.
I wish there are so many types of pizza to eat.
Oh no.
Classic pizza flavor is the best.
No, chocolate sweet pizza is the best.
Let's organize a pizza making competition.
Okay.
Welcome to the pizza making competition. I will be the judge. Ready? Go!
Oh no! I am after Hoodoo.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh no! I'm ruining the pizza powder.
Huh?
What happened? Don't be sad. I share my pizza powder with you.
Thank you, Hoodoo.
What a beautiful pizza! I will bake the pizza first.
You shouldn't run like this. Oh no! The fire will melt me! Help me! Wow, that's amazing! CatNap! Wake up quickly!
What happened?
Your pizza is burning!
My pizza is burned.
Huh? Come on, don't be sad. CatNap, I have an idea. I understand. We have succeeded!
Wow.
Chocolate pizza tastes great. I will give 9 points.
Please, please.
Wow.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's great. It's so delicious. CatNap wins.
Congratulations!
You have helped me a lot. We both win.